Hello there. Well, if you want a tabloid headline for the weather, it's going to be battle of the air mass as we move towards the weekend. More on that in just a moment. But largely today it is going to be a cold and grey affair. Not that much chance of seeing much in the way of sunshine, I'm afraid. Let's take a general look at what to expect over the next few hours. A lot of cloud across the UK, maybe a little bit misty and murky as well up into the far north with a few showers here. And yes, it's going to be a disappointingly chilly old start to the day. If you're stepping out early enough, those temperatures really struggling, only around 2 or 3 degrees, perhaps maximum values at around 5 degrees to greet us first thing Friday morning. It's also going to be pretty windy, and the wind coming from a cold source across from Europe, and that's going to make it feel just extra chilly in the far north of Scotland, with some outbreaks of showery rain and some sleet and snow to the higher ground here. Cloud and rain gathers out in the west as well, so brightness very much at a premium. There will be a few glimpses from time to time, around 7 degrees perhaps to greet us by the middle of the afternoon. In the London area, 5 degrees into East Anglia. There's likely to be the odd spot or two of rain to the east of the Pennines, a few showers across Scotland, and again, I say, to higher ground we could see some snow in there as well. 5 degrees for Aberdeen, let's say a maximum of 7 degrees for Glasgow. A little milder into Belfast, but the cloud and the rain gathers, and that's going to continue to push northeast during Friday evening. Cloudy skies for much of Wales, a threat of rain into the far southwest by the end of the day. The same too for Cornwall, but we're likely to see around 9 degrees in the Plymouth area. Now that cloud and rain continues to push north and to east over Friday night and into Saturday morning. The potential to the tops of higher ground in the north of England and Scotland for some snow as well. Still pretty windy and a bitterly cold afternoon on Saturday to come. To the west of that, still in that milder air, so double figures here of 11 to 12 degrees. And this is the battle of the air mass. We've got this bitterly cold air trying to push in from Scandinavia, the mild air clinging on from the Atlantic. Which air mass will win? Well, there's the potential, I suspect, over the next few days for the milder air mass to just hang on in there. But that means that there's potential also for more weather systems to move in as well. So more wet and windy weather threatening on that Sunday. There is going to be a question mark as to how quickly these fronts could push across the country. So there's some uncertainty by the end of the weekend and into Monday. But there is the great potential for it to stay pretty unsettled, as you can see, with more rain yet to come from the west. Take care.